Okay, guys, just very quickly, I'm going to answer a question about WageMaker, which is this here. And it comes from the video I did this morning, which is the strengths. I do it every day. And it's for John. Quick question. How can it be 2.5 up on the day with minus 14.4 points on the day using WageMaker sheet? In short, it can't. What's either happened is you haven't put the P&L in correct, or one of these has been changed in some way. Let me kind of illustrate. So if you drop your date in, put your balance of 100, put in whatever you're going to invest, say at 10%, 10 quid, just for argument's sake. We'll just say it's £1 a point, just to keep it easy. Now, if you've done 14.4 and you've added it there, it's going to give you a positive feed. However, if you said minus 0.4, it'll give you a negative feed. So I'm not rightly sure. By the look of it, you've probably caught one of the cells and deleted it or changed it in some way, or you haven't put your P&L in correct. But that's how you do it. Just to do it again, so you drop your date in, put in whatever the balance is. So we just drop in the 100 quid just for argument's sake. Do that. What the investment means is you can put whatever you want there. You could put 2%, 5%, whatever. It'll tell you the monetary cost of what you're allowed to invest into the trade, so you can't lose any more than that. Put your bid size in, whether it's sort of a penny, just like this. The bid size works in money, so if you're working in lots, you'll have to work out what the money value of that is. But we'll just say that's 50p. If you had a £5 win, it'll tell you there. 5% gain, 10 pips. Dead simple. Okay? So you put your P&L in and it'll work out the points itself. Dead simple. And then on this side, well, you can just put in whatever it is, whether it's the FTSE, type of trade you took, say a golden eye or a scalp or whatever, long, type of mood you're in, good mood, and then your reasons why you took the trade. Okay, it's a nice simple sheet, calculates everything for you, and it can keep you on track. So maybe it's broken, I don't know. But the current sheet, which is available for download inside of the Discord, or you can go on the website and download it, seems to be fine. Catch us all soon.